Why the hell are you still getting high? Why the hell have you not stopped using drugs? If you're an addict as well, and you're someone who knows addiction, and you're someone who's lived addiction, and now you hate addiction because you know that addiction is something that you were wrong to do and live. Maybe you hit enough sobriety. Maybe you just hit something different inside of you that changed. Maybe you found God. Maybe you found Christ. Maybe you found something higher than you that you worshiped better than just drugs, that you knew made life more meaningful. And if you find a spiritual side to you, the spiritual side helps to elevate the way that you look at life and value life. An addict that's active is not an addict who will seek those things out. It isn't true, because the pain that addicts feel is the pain that addicts search to get rid of when the pain is there. Isn't true. There's a repetitive experience of that pain, always coming back and forth, back and forth. When you use, you get high, you get sober. We get sober is just a respite in between the days before you go ahead and get high. Or maybe you run out of drugs and you got to score again. You got to go ahead and re-up. You got to hit the plug. You got to hit the dope man who's got a little bit but enough, or who will take less, or has shittier shit, but you're still going to get your shit to get high. And you're the person who's making choices because you need to get that, and you're compromising your friendships, and you're letting go relationships, and you're not acting the way that you need to act because people that know you need you to be a certain way because they know you a certain way, and the way they know you is the way that you know you too. But you're an addict who's high and who wants to stay high, and you're the addict wrong who doesn't want to be that way. Wrong. Isn't true. You're the addict who makes choices, the addict who looks at you who's sober and wonders why you can't quit because they reached a point where something changed inside of them, where you're the one who's not realizing but is doing exactly what that addict sober is thinking is wrong. You're being stupid about life. The addiction is dumb. The choices you make is a waste of your time, is a waste of your life, is a waste of the goodness inside of you. It is a waste, and it is just stupid as hell to do. Not because you're stupid, but you do stupid shit. The stupid shit can be serious shit, but stupid shit can also just be dumb shit, small shit that you do on a bigger scale that others just don't like, and they find just annoying, or they just find wrong, or they just identify you as being someone who is that wrong way. They know when you're high. They know when you're using. And if you're the addict who's not an addict no more and you're sober, and it makes you angry that your addict friends won't stop using because you know they're wasting their lives. You know they're wasting their time. You know they're wasting their existence away. You know that they're better than the things they do. You know they're better. You know they're better than getting high. You know that any addict is better than getting the high. Any person that uses drugs, lost their way, is better than that. You just need to realize it, or maybe have people around you who can tell you, you're better than that. Stop getting high. Stop getting high. And if you're the addict's friend, or you're the addict who's sober, who's just tired of seeing your friends or loved ones or somebody that you care about get high still, tired of that, and you're the one who has to be brave enough, maybe, just open your mouth and just say something every now and then, something at some point where you know it's right to tell them, I know you don't want to keep getting high. I know you know it's dumb shit. I know you know that it's just dumb to keep getting high because it doesn't make any sense. It's right. It doesn't make sense. That's what makes it dumb. It just doesn't make sense to sacrifice your life, your time, your relationships, give up those things that value you too, because they do value you. People value you, and then you lose them because of addiction. So if you're that addict who's getting high and has a friend that doesn't want you to keep getting high, maybe you can listen to them a little, or listen to them a lot, because they care about you. If they're with you, if they're still sticking with you, and they're around you when knowing you got dope maybe Because maybe they're not in recovery for a long time, or maybe they've been sober for a long time. They got to be around it to be around you. And maybe it's a risk, or maybe not. Maybe they just don't care about getting high no more. But you never know what can happen with anybody who knows addiction. It's an enticing thing to want to get high and then believe that you can be done with it after one hit, one line, or one shot, which we know as addicts and addicts who know. When you are at a certain degree of addiction, that one little bit of taste ain't going to be one. That one taste takes you far, and you stick with it because you just like it. It's that good. You just forgot how good it is. How good it is, but then how bad it is for you is what you remember too. And hopefully you pull out quick and get sober again if that's what your game was, if that's what your life was. So you got a friend, tell that friend, stop being stupid, stop being a stupid drug addict. Because I don't want you to be a stupid drug addict that dies. And I want you to be my friend who's sober, and I want to see my friend sober. And if that's you, you know who you are. Because you all know who you are. You all can stop using drugs, man. Stop being stupid. And get your life back together. Because your life matters, and so do you. Amen.